If you're bidding on construction projects, you've probably heard terms like bid bond, performance bond, or payment bond, and maybe thought, this all sounds important, but what do these actually do? The reality is, surety bonds are the backbone of trust in the construction industry. Without them, project owners would be taking a huge risk every time they hire a contractor. In this video, we're going to break down the 5 most important construction bonds, what they do, when they're required, and why they matter to your business. At its core, a construction surety bond is a financial guarantee. It ensures that a contractor will meet their obligations on a project. There are 3 parties involved: the contractor, the project owner, and the surety company backing the bond. If the contractor doesn't perform, the surety steps in to protect the owner. Let's start with the bid bond. This is where everything begins. A bid bond guarantees that if you're awarded the project, you'll accept the contract and provide the required performance and payment bonds. Here's why that matters. Project owners often receive multiple bids. If a contractor submits a low bid just to win the job but then backs out or can't get bonded, the owner is left scrambling, often at a higher cost. The bid bond protects against that scenario. In most cases, it's written for a percentage of the bid, commonly 5% or 10%. So if a contractor walks away, the surety may cover the difference between that bid and the next lowest qualified bidder. Bottom line, a bid bond tells the owner, this contractor is qualified, serious, and backed by a surety. Next up is the performance bond, and this is where the real protection kicks in. A performance bond guarantees that the contractor will complete the project according to the contract terms, on time, on budget, and to specification. But what happens if something goes wrong? Let's say a contractor runs into financial trouble, falls behind schedule, or simply can't finish the job. That's when the surety steps in. Depending on the situation, they may help finance the contractor to finish the project, bring in a replacement contractor, or compensate the project owner for the loss. This bond is critical for project owners because it ensures the job gets completed, even if the original contractor can't deliver. And for contractors, being able to qualify for a performance bond is a strong signal of financial strength and credibility. Beyond the core bonds used to secure the contract, there are a few additional bonds that play an important supporting role throughout and after the project. A payment bond ensures subcontractors, laborers, and suppliers get paid, helping prevent disputes and keeping the job moving forward. A supply bond guarantees that critical materials are delivered as promised, reducing the risk of costly delays. And a maintenance bond covers defects after the project is complete, ensuring any issues are corrected during the warranty period. Together, these bonds provide protection not just during construction, but even after the job is finished. From the moment you submit a bid to well after the project is complete, these bonds create a system of accountability and trust. They protect project owners, support subcontractors, and help qualified contractors win more work. And if you're serious about growing your construction business, understanding and leveraging these bonds is essential. If you need help getting bonded or want to understand what you qualify for, reach out to Surety Bond Authority. We'll walk you through the process and get you the bonds you need quickly and efficiently.